Welcome to another episode of our unschooling journey, where learning happens beyond the classroom. Today, we're exploring how environmental stewardship can be a powerful, hands-on way for children to learn about the world around them. Unschooling is all about letting curiosity lead the way. And what better way to learn than by taking action to protect our planet? Activities like this beach cleanup teach our kids about environmental responsibility, the impact of pollution, and the importance of community, all while engaging their minds and bodies. Why is environmental stewardship so important in unschooling? It's simple. When children participate in activities like these, they are not just learning about the environment. They are developing a deep connection to it. This kind of learning is experimental, rooted in real-world contexts that make lessons stick. By physically picking up trash, they see firsthand the impact humans have on the planet. This hands-on experience is far more powerful than reading about it in a textbook. Every piece of trash tells a story. This is an opportunity to talk about the life cycle of materials, how long they take to decompose, and what can be recycled. These discussions spark curiosity about science, environmental policy, and even social responsibility. Unschooling through environmental stewardship is about more than just picking up trash. It's about fostering a sense of agency in our children. They learn that their actions matter, that they can make a difference, and that they are part of something bigger than themselves. As parents and educators, our role is to guide them in finding these meaningful learning experiences. Whether it's a beach cleanup, a nature walk, or a visit to a recycling center, the lessons they learn from these activities will last a lifetime.